Hello everyone, I'm Nate from FastForm. Let me introduce the installation steps of DeskFab X1. After we receive the goods, we will check the equipment status first, and other necessary accessories, including display, base plates, tools box, power box, water chiller, voltage stabilizer. The toolbox details are as follows. The first step, install the voltage stabilizer. Connect the live wire, neutral wire, and ground wire of the 2.5 square millimeters. Wire to phase, neutral, and ground, respectively. Unscrew the screws of the terminal box behind the voltage stabilizer. Remove the cable box. Loosen the screws at the phase port. Connect the live wire and tighten the screws. Loosen the screw of the neutral port. Connect the neutral wire and tighten the screws. Loosen the screw of the ground wire port. Connect the ground wire and tighten the screw. Check if the connection is secure. Insert the wire box and tighten the screws. Turn on the power of the voltage regulator. Installation is complete. We will install display. Align the screw hole on the back of the display with the middle hole in the support. Install the screws. Unscrew the support. Adjust the angle of display depends on your need, then screw back tightly. Plug the USB port, HD port, and power cables. At last, install the ground wire to one of screw. Then, connect the power to the printer. First, find out the correct hose connection cables. Notice that the male plug and female plug correspondence one by one. Then screw them tightly. Then connect the DC to 4V and AC to 2OV cables. Connect the male plug to the power box female connectors. Then connect the water chiller power cable. One side to printer, another side to water chiller. At last, connect the main power cable. And plug it into the voltage regulator output jack of the voltage regulator. Connect the printer pipe to water chiller. Orange pipe from printer connect to water chiller inlet. Blue pipe from printer connect to water chiller outlet. Take out the transparent pipe from end to generator. Take the metal connector side to connect the air input port of end to generator. Another side connect to air compressor. Take out another transparent pipe. Take the metal connector side to connect the end to generator and to output one port. Another side connect the 8 to 10 connector. Take another 10 size pipe connect to the adjustment valve. Notice that the arrow of adjustment valve to the printer direction. Then connect the gas input pipe of printer to the adjustment valve side. At last, put the gas output pipe into a container of water without seal. Put some water inside and take the pipe underwater 1 to 2 centimeters. Please refer to the nitrogen generator connection diagram for details. Thank you for watching.